2y minus 5 equals to 0 containing the origin. Okay, R be the interior region between these two lines containing the origin. The set of all values of a for which the points a square comma a plus 1 lie in region. Okay, so this is the question. So first try to draw the diagram for these two. Here we solution is okay. Just write solution here. This is, suppose this is y-axis and this is x-axis. Okay. Suppose this is y-axis and this is x-axis. Let me draw somewhat left here. So suppose this is y-axis and this is our x-axis. So how to draw the first line? First line is, I'm writing here, first line is 3x minus y plus 1 equals to 0. So on x-axis y will be 0, right? On x-axis y will be 0. So x value is minus 1 by 3. So this point, it will pass through this point, minus 1 by 3 comma 0. On y-axis, x will be 0. On y-axis x will be 0. So y equals to 1. On y-axis x will be 0. So y equals to 1. Okay. So it will pass. This is the first line. This is the line 1. Okay, this is the line 1. And one more line is on x-axis y will be 0. So x is 5. This is 5 comma 0 we'll assume. On y-axis x will be 0. On y-axis x will be 0. So if you put x as 0, y equals to 5 by 2. Y is equals to 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 point will be here. So by joining these two lines, by joining these two lines, L1 and L2. Okay. So this is L2 and this is L1. First of all, this is L1 line and this is L2 line. Clear? So this is L1 line and this is L2 line. R be the interior region between these lines. So this region fully it is R. Inside region, I'll write it with another pen. So this region is R region. This full region between these two lines. Okay. This full region between these two lines is region between these two lines. This yellow region is nothing but this is the region R. Okay. So this is the region R. R be the interior region between the lines containing origin. Containing origin, the set of values of a for which the points a square comma a plus 1 lie inside the region. So origin with respect to L1, origin and the given point lies on the same side. Okay, with respect to L1, origin and the given point lies on the same side of the line L1, and with respect to L2 also, origin and the given point lies on the same side of the L2. So what is the condition if 2 points lie on the same side? What is the condition for 2 points to be on the same side of the line? So condition for these 2 points to be on the same side of the line is just substitute those points. Just substitute origin in line 1 and substitute another point in line 2. What is the condition that 2 points lie on the same side of the line? So 2 points will always lie on the same side of the line if they have same sign. Okay. 2 points lie on the same side of the line if they have same sign. Okay. 2 points lie on the same side if they have same sign. If we substitute origin in L11 and the point in L11, sign should be same. So what is the meant by sign same? Either plus plus or minus minus. Okay. So if we substitute origin, in first line and if you substitute the given point p, if you substitute the given point p in the first line, both should have same sign, either plus plus or minus minus. Now if you multiply these two signs, if you multiply plus and plus, and if you multiply minus and minus, value will be always greater than 0. Okay, just substitute origin in the given line L1 and substitute the point in first line. If you do product of these two, we'll get obviously greater than 0. Now line 1 is this one. So substitute origin. If you substitute origin, 1 will be there here. Since x is 0 and y is 0, 1 will remain into, if you substitute a point here, a square in place of x, a square. So 3a square minus of, in place of y, substitute the given point. In place of y, substitute the given point, which is a plus 1 greater than 0. So what is the condition we got finally? 3a square minus 1 and plus 1 will be cancelled. 3a square minus a greater than 0. So this is the first condition. 3a square minus a is greater than 0. This is the first condition. And coming to the second condition, similarly, just substitute origin. Just substitute origin in line 2 and substitute the given point also in line 2, and the product will be greater than 0. Okay, so simple concept here. If 2 points lie on the same side of the line, okay, if 2 points lie on the same side of the line, if we substitute the points on in the line, and if we get the same sign, okay, 2 points lie on the same side if they get the same sign, and 2 points lie on the either side of the line if they get opposite signs. Okay, same side, same sign, or either side different signs. Okay, so if you substitute origin in line 2, if you substitute origin in the line 2 here, this is the line 2. If you substitute origin in line 2, minus 5 we will get. If you substitute the given point in line 2, x is a square plus 2 times of a plus 1, which is 2a plus 2, which is 2a plus 2. Okay, and minus 5, which is greater than 0. Okay, is it visible? Yes, is it visible? Yes, it is visible. So minus 5, if you multiply, so if you multiply with the negative quantity, sign of inequality will be reversed. So here 5 also we can remove. So a square plus 2a minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3, and sign of inequality will be reversed. Okay, just multiply with the just divide with minus 5 on both sides. Just divide with minus 5 on both sides. So a square plus 2a minus 3 will be less than 0, and this is a of 3a minus 1 greater than 0. This is a of 3 minus 1 greater than 0, and just solve this a square plus 2a minus 3. What are the factors here? What are the factors here? I'm writing here a square plus 2a, we can write it as 3a minus a and minus 3 less than 0. So a of a minus a plus 3, a of a plus 3, and minus 1 of a plus 3. So a minus 1 less than 0. So a into a square minus a plus 3a plus 2a minus 3 less than 0. Now plot these two on number line. Plot these two conditions on number line. Just plot these two conditions on number line. I am plotting here. Okay, I'm plotting here. So critical point for this is 0 and 1 by 3, right? So critical point is 0, 0 and 1 by 3. Here critical points are minus 3 and 1. So 4 critical points we need to take. 4 critical points we need to take. Minus 3 is one critical point. Minus 3 is one critical point, and 1 is another critical point. So a is 0. So here 0 and 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is nothing but 0 point something. So 1 by 3 will come here. Okay. So 0 and 1 by 3. A into 3a minus 1 is greater than 0. Which interval? So greater than 0 means from here to here, from here to here, and minus infinity to 0. So if you see inequalities session, it will be clear for you. Critical point, Lokesh. Critical point. A is one critical point, and 1 by 3 is another critical point. Okay, 1 by 3 is another one critical point, and A is another critical point. Critical points we will find while solving inequalities. So greater than 1 by 3 and less than 0. This is one interval, and another interval is less than 0, from minus 3 to 1, from minus 3 to 1. This is another interval. Now, what is the common region for these two intervals? Common region for these two intervals is from minus 3 to 0 and 1 by 3 to 1. Okay, from minus 3 to 0 and from 1 by 3 to 1 is the common region which is satisfying both the inequalities. Okay, so basic concept here we have to learn is if 2 points lie on the same side, they'll have same sign. If 2 points lie on the either side of the line, they'll have opposite sign. Okay, so by multiplying plus and plus, you'll get a greater than. By solving these two inequalities, we'll get interval which is minus 3 to 0 and 1 by 3 to 1. So which option is correct here? So option is second option, minus 3 to 0, minus 3 to 0 union 1 by 3 to 1. So this is the correct option. Okay, clear this question? Any doubts in this question? Any doubts in this question? You can